Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Asteria Hair. Asteria Hair sent me over this beautiful wig, and this is now my absolute favorite wig ever in life. Like, I want to wear this wig every day. I want to glue it to my scalp. I want to sew it into my scalp. I just want this to, like, bruh, look at how thick this is, okay? Hold on. Look how thick. Look how thick that is. And it's so soft. It's like a natural texture, so it's not too curly, but then it's not too of a deep wave. Like, it's like a nice medium. Kind of like a loose wave, but a deep wave. And it's so freaking gorgeous. Even at the ends, it's so soft. All I did was just wash it with some shampoo and conditioner. I did not put no other products in this hair. This hair is beautiful. So I want to show you guys what came in the box, and then I'll go into the install portion. I just did some like quick baby hairs. It's looking a little crazy, but I just did some quick baby hairs. So I'll show you guys me installing it. I've just really wanted to come and show you guys this hair because it's so beautiful and it's really my new favorite wig ever. So this is how the box looks. They have this new textured type of box when you open it up. This is what the wig came in. And then it has the satin, they have the satin bag. The box was tied with this, but I had untied it because I needed to wash the wig. I need to bleach the knots and wash the wig. Then it comes with a headband, head wrap, some lashes, an edge brush, and a wig cap. That's all the things they had in their packaging, including the wig. I just really wanted to come and show you guys this wig. This is so freaking pretty, and I'm going to be wearing it all freaking week. This wig is gorgeous. Like, I have so many wigs, but this one is like my top favorite for 2023. Like, what? I just don't want to take it off. Like, it's so freaking pretty. And it's like, it's not going to get too big unless I brush it out. Like, I could play in it so much and it's not going to get too big because it's not curly. It's like a wave texture. Anyways, then guys, let's get right into this video so you can see how I install the wig.
Let's go back to the time where your nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing we with your friend. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again. Like, when am I seeing you again? Hey, when are we speaking again? Yeah, you look good with that ink on your skin. Hood, but you far from the streets you was in. Oh yeah, no, he don't like it. Call me up, he don't like it. This was the perfect timing. Talking about you like a queen, making him mad. As if you never even matter. And you a bad bitch, you keep getting better. This ain't a side nigga anthem. I've been straight before it, he going backward. You was on the verge of losing. You was acting like you ain't want shit to do with her. I cut out the bullshit and kept it true with her. That's why the sexual tension is high when I'm in rooms with her. She really the shit, I don't be juicing. I'm the shit too, that's why I'm so in tune with her. I feel like I'm something on you. I feel like you grew on me. Have I grown on you? Done frontin' like I don't want you. Keep treating me like I don't know you. Back and forth between me and all your niggas. It busy tonight, that figures. Tonight you stand at his end. And still I answer your call when he doesn't answer at all. Well, I want that too, that's all. I need the same in return, that's all. It's all I want, all I want, all I want. It's all I want, all I want, all I want. Just one time. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I just sound doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. I do have like a little bit of like over bleached areas like in the front right here and stuff, but I do not mind it. I don't know, I guess I wasn't paying attention to the time or whatever. This wig is so freaking beautiful, so gorgeous. So if you're thinking about getting this wig, I recommend 100% that you get it. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can purchase. Look how it looks. It's just so natural, so gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to check out Asteria Hair. I have all the links in the description box like I said before, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
In the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days.